Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix session expired on Facebook. So you have to just go on the phone settings and you have to just check your internet connection over Wi-Fi or over mobile data. So I have connected the mobile data. So I will refresh it to turn off and on and turn off and on. So it will be refreshed, and now I will go back and check the Facebook app how is running. So it will be running. So one more to check fix it. So I have to go Play Store and check the updates of Facebook. So I have searched for Facebook. So when it's open, so yes, there is an update. So I will download the update of new features of Facebook. So when it's done, your Facebook is running very smoothly. So this is how to fix the occur error on Facebook. So these are the two major solutions. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.